everybody, I'm back again. Today I will be preparing something I came up with again, and as always I always come up with something and I want to share with you as well. Here I have 3 cups of quinoa, 3 measuring cups of quinoa, salt to taste. As you see, the salt is right there. I haven't mixed it yet. And also for each cup it's 2 cups of water, so 6 cups of water in there. It's going to boil for 15 minutes, so I'm going to let this boil for 15 minutes and then we will proceed to the next step. And I made this quite a few times actually, and I don't know why I didn't upload a recipe, and I don't know why I didn't make a video on this recipe yet. And my family love it, my kids like it. It's a very simple recipe, so it's like have your quinoa already cooked, and when you come home you can quickly prepare something up in maybe 15 minutes or less. So just kind of stir it so the salt, it just dissolves in there. And I already turned on the stove, so it's already hot. I always turn it on high. Once it boils, I turn it back down to medium low and let it cook for 15 minutes. All right, so I'll be back once it's cooked. Here I have separate another pot, and I put ghee in there, pure ghee. Now I'm going to add some green onion, some ginger paste, and some garlic paste. A teaspoon each, and a pinch of cumin, some people call it jeera, some turmeric, as much as you wish. I put like almost a teaspoon. I already peeled some onions, red onion and yellow onion. So I'm going to stir fry this a little bit on one number less than medium low heat. I'll be back in 2 minutes. Now here I have 2 medium-sized yellow onions. Just cut any way you wish. And here I have some red onions as well. So this is how I cut them, right? I just roughly cut them. I like to make them big chunks. Whatever I'm making, I can feel the onions, right? That's how I do them. These are small red onions. Here you can add fresh cilantro, fresh whatever herbs you have, but I'm on a very low budget. I ran out of cilantro and quite a few stuff. So I have some dried ones though. And here is a cilantro dried up. In it goes. And I have some dried basil. In it goes. The ghee, or if you wish to use butter, by all means, you're the boss of your own kitchen, so you use what you wish. The ghee or the butter will give it a big, tremendous taste on your food, whatever you're making. So we're gonna stir fry that for 2 minutes and chop up the rest of the ingredients, which is not much. Okay, so here I have a nice huge pepper that I just quickly chopped. And again, we stir fry this. I'm also going to use this eggplant, which is not the dark eggplant, which is more bitter. This one is less bitter, so I can just chop it up and just throw it in there instead of, doing the process of getting the bitter out first. But this one is different. Alright, so I finished chopping the eggplant, in it goes. And that's basically it. So this will stir fry until the eggplant should be a bit kind of cooked. So once it's a bit caramelized, the onions, the peppers are softened, then we can add our quinoa. That's how easy it is. So we have to add salt before I forget. Salt to taste. So just add on top. And that was the last ingredient. All we need to do is let this cook a little bit, just a little, and then throw in the quinoa and dinner is done. That's how easy it is. I know on the video it might look a lot, but if you have all these ingredients already chopped up and everything, so when you come from work, all you do is just throw it in there in the pan or pot and have quinoa cooked already. Oh my gosh, your dinner will be ready in not even 15 minutes. This is very quick, very easy. And that's it, my friends. I'll be back to put throw in the quinoa once this is ready. Now this could be done if you eat seafood like shrimp before you put the quinoa. Let it boil the shrimp for 1 minute. Once you see the color change, the shrimp, then you add the quinoa right away. Or tuna or salmon, I don't know, whoever like they eat seafood, well, this is another great idea for you to add in the fish if you're adding fish, right? Or shrimp at the end. I thought I was filming, I'm sorry. I don't know what I just did, but anyways, it boiled 2 minutes, and what I did is just dump the quinoa on the top, and now I'm going to do is just mix it. I thought it was filming, and I just realized the camera was off. Oh my goodness. But you only missed the dumping part, that's all. So now we just kind of mix it all in and make sure everything is well incorporated, so all that good flavor can go to all that quinoa here. The stove is still on. I'm just going to leave it like just exactly 1 minute, that's it, and then turn it off. I don't think I mentioned the quinoa. Wash it first and then you cook it. I don't think I mentioned that, although it depends on where you buy it. The Costco one, I buy Kirkland. That one is already pre-washed, so that one I like better. This is a different quinoa, but it seems to me the Kirkland one grows more. This one seems to grow less, because the last time I used was 2 cups and it filled exactly this amount, and this is 3 cups and it's the same amount. That is it, my friends. As simple as that. Very easy, very tasty meal. I hope you try it out. I also like to put some roasted sunflower seeds just on the top, or you can put it in the pot as well. Okay, so here is the result. I hope you try it out. Comment below, thumbs up. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and hope to see you soon in the next video. I appreciate you all, and I thank you so much for your patience, and thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you again, and hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.